Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In this session, we will see how to create a folder, how to rename a folder. Also, we will see how to copy and paste a folder. So, without a further ado, let's start the video. In order to create, rename or copy paste a folder, first of all you have to open Windows Explorer window. How you are going to open Windows Explorer window now? Remember the steps. Press the start button which is here, okay, and in start button, after pressing the start button, go to the all programs, it is here, right, and then go to the accessories which is here, right, and then in accessories look for Windows Explorer. Just it is here, I have selected that. So start button, all programs, accessories, and then Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer will open. Now in the navigation pane, means in this side, see this is called as your navigation pane. Okay, in navigation pane you can click any one of these like documents, music, pictures or videos. Okay, you can click any one among these. So I will click on documents. Let me click on documents. So I will click here on documents. Now when you click on the documents, you can see this is your toolbar, and among all these toolbox menu or toolbar menu, just you have to click on the new folder. Okay, in order to create a new folder, you have to click on new folder. So let me click on new folder, right? Observe here, new folder has been created over here. This is your new folder. Now you can give any name that you want. Okay, I'll give the name 4th standard, right? I will give the name 4th standard. Let me go back and let me give the name as 4th standard. 4th STD, that is standard, 4th standard. So this is how you can create a new folder. Now dear students, the folder can be renamed also. The name of this folder is what? The name of folder is 4th standard. You can give any name that you want, right? Now let me change the name to 4th class. How can I do that? See, observe what are the steps. First of all, you click on this organize button. Here is the organize button, right? And after that, just click on rename option. It is here. Observe rename option. It is 4th from the bottom, right? So rename button. Now give any name that you want. I will type here 4th class, 4th, and I'll type here class. And after typing, just press enter on the keyboard. It is there, right? Enter button. So this is how you can rename a folder. You just go to the organize, just search for rename and click that, and you can choose any name and click the enter button, right? Now we will see how to copy and paste a particular folder. Now there are different folders are there in my documents folder. It is my documents folder. You can see here libraries and document. It is my documents folder. I can copy and paste any folder. What does it mean by copy and paste? Copy means creating the same folder one more time. If I copy this folder Bandicam, then this folder will be created one more time. And what does it mean by copying this folder GTA Vice City? This folder will be created one more time. So what I will do here, I will copy our folder, that is 4th class. Okay, I will copy this 4th class one more time. How to do that? Okay, select that folder, click this folder and go to the organize option which is here, organize, and then click that and search for copy option. Search for copy option which is here, copy, and then I will show you how to do that. Go to the organize button, go to the copy option, right? And now again go to organize, and now go to the paste option. Select the paste option. You can see it is the third from the top. So select the paste option. Observe, this copy has been created. This is the original one, right? Fourth class is the original one, and this is the copy file. So this fourth class is created one more time. This is original one and this is a copy folder. I hope you have understood today's session. In case of any queries, difficulties or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.